In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace effortlessly in just about 5 minutes. This process will help you streamline your marketing strategies by leveraging the robust features of Klaviyo directly with your Squarespace website. Integrating these two platforms can significantly enhance your email marketing campaigns, audience segmentation, and ultimately drive more sales to your store. So let's dive into the easy steps to make this connection happen. Firstly, the journey to integrating Klaviyo with Squarespace begins by logging into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and you'll see the Log In button prominently displayed. Clicking on this button will prompt you for your account details. Here you'll input your email address and password associated with your Klaviyo account. Once your credentials are correctly entered, hit the Login button to access your dashboard. It's crucial to ensure the accuracy of the information you provide here to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate through the Klaviyo dashboard to find the integration section. Klaviyo has designed its interface to be intuitive, making it easy for users to locate various features. Clicking on integrations will take you to a new screen where you'll see the option to add new integrations. This is where the magic begins. The integration of Klaviyo with various platforms including Squarespace, which is our focus today. Upon clicking on Add Integrations, you'll be directed to a screen filled with numerous integration options. Here you'll need to search for Squarespace. The search function is quite handy in quickly narrowing down the list to the specific integration you're interested in. So type in Squarespace, and you'll soon find what you're looking for. Once Squarespace appears in your search results, you'll notice the Install button next to it. By selecting this option, Klaviyo will initiate the process to integrate with your Squarespace account. The anticipation builds here as you're just a few steps away from syncing the two platforms. The subsequent screen you're greeted with is a prompt to connect to Squarespace. Click on Connect to Square to proceed. This action takes you closer to the goal by opening the door to your Squarespace account. You'll be prompted to sign into your Squarespace account to authorize the integration. It's a crucial step where you bridge Klaviyo with Squarespace, and hence accuracy in entering your Squarespace login credentials cannot be overstated. By clicking on Sign In to your Squarespace account, you will be asked for your Squarespace email and password. This is the moment where both platforms handshake, metaphorically speaking, marking the beginning of a harmonized workflow between your marketing efforts on Klaviyo and your Squarespace site. The integration is almost instantaneous after you sign in, but it's always good practice to review the permissions and ensure you're comfortable with the access levels being granted. Once the integration is successfully completed, you've essentially unlocked a new realm of possibilities for your online store or website. You'll now be able to harness Klaviyo's powerful email marketing tools and analytics directly within your Squarespace environment, enabling you to create personalized campaigns, analyze customer data, and much more, all aimed at enhancing the user experience and boosting your conversions. What we've covered today is just a brief walkthrough of connecting Klaviyo to Squarespace, but the implications of this step for your online business are vast. Remember, the success of your marketing efforts greatly depends on how well you understand and leverage the tools at your disposal. With Klaviyo now integrated with your Squarespace site, you're well on your way to crafting compelling email marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive engagement. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Integrating Klaviyo with Squarespace is a strategic move for any e-commerce or online business looking to optimize their marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or if you need further assistance. Here's to your success.